9 steps to create sexual tension. Gentlemen, if you're attracted to a woman and want to catch her attention, creating sexual tension is important. But here's the thing. You might be unsure about how to effectively generate that tension. Understanding the concept can be tricky, let alone knowing how to make it happen when the time is right. Don't worry though. Many men have faced the same challenge. In this video, I'm going to share 9 solid ways to create sexual tension with a woman. The best part is, some of these techniques are incredibly simple to use. You can try them out during your next interaction with a girl you like. So pay close attention. Let's dive into these practical methods and take your game to the next level. Compliment her beauty. To create intense sexual tension and position yourself as a potential lover, it's crucial to let her know that something exciting could happen between the two of you. Expressing your sexual interest through compliments is a simple and effective way to achieve this. Complimenting her physical appearance, such as her legs, lips, or neck, or appreciating something she's wearing that enhances her attractiveness, like a sexy skirt or an enticing shirt, can work wonders in building sexual tension. However, it's important to deliver these compliments with self-assurance, avoiding any hint of neediness. Take inspiration from the confidence of James Bond, who boldly compliments women without appearing desperate. When you approach it with strength and confidence, showing that you're comfortable with your desires, you become a dominant man who isn't afraid to express himself. This kind of attitude is a major turn-on for women and will help you create the intense sexual tension you desire. So go out there and unleash your inner seducer. Compliment her personality. When it comes to complimenting her personality, the same principle applies as complimenting her physical beauty. After she shares something interesting about herself, you have an opportunity to pay her a compliment that highlights her personality traits in a way that implies you find her sexually attractive. For instance, you can say things like, "Good, I love women who are forward," or "I find it sexy when women stand up for themselves." Expressing your attraction towards qualities such as sensitivity or delicacy can also be effective. By delivering these compliments, you not only show genuine appreciation for who she is, but also create an underlying current of sexual attraction. Remember to convey these compliments with confidence and sincerity, focusing on the qualities that genuinely resonate with you. Touch her. Physical contact is a potent tool for igniting desire in women, and there's a good reason for it. When you touch a woman, it can arouse her just like foreplay does. The power lies in the fact that touch can create an immediate and intimate connection, heightening the sexual tension between you. There are several ways to strategically touch a woman in order to generate this tension. For example, when complimenting her, the type of touch can depend on the nature of the compliment itself. If you're praising her skin, you can lightly touch her skin as you mention it. Similarly, if you're complimenting her outfit, you can gently touch or trace your fingers along the fabric as you admire it. Another opportune moment for touch is when you invite her to sit down. You can guide her by taking her hand or wrapping your arm around her waist, creating a physical closeness that fuels the growing desire. These deliberate and calculated touches can evoke a range of sensations and intensify the sexual energy between you. However, it's crucial to always be attentive to her response and ensure that your actions are welcomed and consensual. With the right touch at the right time, you can deepen the connection and stoke the flames of attraction. Reject her in advance. Anticipating rejection is a technique used by many guys to create intense sexual tension. It involves rejecting the girl in advance, planting the idea of a potential relationship while simultaneously implying its impossibility. For instance, statements like, "I like you, but we aren't really compatible," or "you and me, it's not going to happen," serve this purpose. This approach subtly introduces thoughts about sex, which can arouse her. Furthermore, the allure of desiring what seems out of reach, in this case you, can heighten her attraction. However, it is essential to use this technique correctly. Many men misuse it, resulting in awkwardness. It should not be overused or forced into conversations. Instead, it should be employed at the right moment to enhance the interaction organically. When used effectively, anticipating rejection can create a powerful dynamic that intensifies desire and attraction. Disagree with her. Let's talk about a powerful way to arouse feminine women that may not be classified as a sexualization technique, but it certainly gets results. This technique involves disagreeing with the girl about something she said, expressing doubt or disapproval towards her statement. Why is it so effective? Well, when you do this, it exudes your masculinity, showcasing your ability to stand up for yourself and assert your opinions like a true man. In contrast to those weak guys who constantly agree with everything she says in a desperate attempt to please her, spoiler alert, they rarely progress the interaction or ignite desire in the women they're interested in. Disagreeing with a girl can captivate her attention and make her invest in the conversation. It's a way of challenging her and engaging her on a deeper level, stirring up emotions and creating a dynamic that stimulates attraction. Reject her physically. Let's dive into a technique that may sound intense, but it's definitely worth exploring. It's called physical rejection, and it's a combination of the previous technique we discussed and incorporating physical touch. Here's how it works. While engaging in conversation with the girl, you lightly place your hand on her shoulder or arm and gently push her away. This action is best employed when she says something that can be interpreted as silly or self-disqualifying, or even when she unintentionally implies that she is out of your league. The key is to accompany this gesture with a playful smile, so she understands that you're teasing her. However, on a subconscious level, she will feel a sense of rejection from you. Surprisingly, this rejection triggers an increased attraction towards you and heightens the sexual tension between you both. It stirs up a desire within her to prove herself and seek your approval. Essentially, this technique flips the script and compels her to chase you. By creating this dynamic, you invite her to invest more in the interaction, leading to a more engaging and exciting connection. Say that you're not hitting on her. Here's a fun and easy way to create exciting sexual tension. You can insist that you're not flirting with her, but right before that, give her a compliment like, "I'm not hitting on you, but your dress looks really sexy." Later, you can playfully say, "Okay, maybe I'm hitting on you a little bit, but I have to admit, your shoes are really hot." By emphasizing that you're not pursuing her romantically, even if you secretly are, it plants the idea of a potential relationship in her mind. It shows her that you're a guy who might be interested in her, unlike those stuck in the friend zone. This adds a thrilling sense of anticipation and makes the interaction more enjoyable. Give her a prolonged, intense look. Engaging in prolonged eye contact is a simple yet potent technique to create intense sexual tension. It works wonders in arousing a woman's desire. When there's a pause in the conversation, take advantage of the moment. Lock your gaze onto her eyes and remain silent. Don't worry about switching between her eyes. Instead, focus on one eye while keeping your facial muscles relaxed. Allow the silence to linger and wait for her to look away or break the silence herself. It's crucial not to divert your gaze or, even worse, look down. By maintaining eye contact, you establish a captivating connection and heighten the anticipation between you both. Show interest in a sexual part of her body. Engaging in this technique involves openly acknowledging your attraction to a specific part of her body. It's a bolder approach, building upon the previous technique mentioned. As she's talking to you, Your gaze naturally shifts to her cleavage, focusing on it for a brief moment, around 1 or 2 seconds. Without hesitation, you redirect your attention back to her eyes and make a playful comment like, "Sorry, I wasn't listening. I got momentarily distracted by your cleavage." This approach allows you to deliver a bold compliment on her physical features while maintaining a polite and socially calibrated demeanor. By immediately acknowledging the distraction and offering a self-confident apology, you strike a balance between audacity and subtlety, which proves to be incredibly effective in creating sexual tension. For more content like this, click here to subscribe.